Hello everyone, welcome to Blessing Institute. Now this is 14th question of exercise 1 miscellaneous, and we are in the end of this chapter. The question is define a binary operation star on the set days so as A star B is polarity column, so that 0 is identity for this operation and for A not 0 the invert A not 0 star is invertible with 6 minus A being the inverse of A. दो चीज हमें प्रूव करनी है. First is that 0 is identity element. Second thing, when A is not 0 then 6 minus A is inverse of A. ये हमें प्रूव करना है, right? Now for 0, see here A star 0 is A plus 0 is A because A belongs to A. Whenever A is playing in A cannot be greater than 5. A cannot be greater than 5. It means A plus B will be less than 6, and because it B is 0, so it will be less than 6. 5 plus 0 is 5. Greatest element is 5. So 5 plus 0 is 5, that is smaller than 6. So ये condition हमें लेनी है यहाँ पे. So it will be A plus 0 is A. Same way 0 star A is 0 plus A is 0 for all A belongs to A, and therefore 0 is identity element. 0 is identity element, right? Now suppose B is identity element for A. Therefore, if B is identity element for A, so we can say A star B is 0. If B is identity element of A, then there's a binary operation gives identity element. But for A plus B, there are two ways. Maybe A plus B less than 6, maybe A plus B greater than 6. When A is 3 and B is 4, 3 plus 4 becomes 7, which is greater than 6. So there are two cases. Therefore, A star B is A plus B is 0 if A plus B less than 6 and A plus B minus 6 equal to 0 when A plus B is greater than 6. It is given that greater than or equal to. Therefore, B is equal to minus A, or is 0, or B is equal to 6 minus A. Therefore, B is equal to minus A does not belongs to A. Why? See, when we take B positive, this will be negative, or A positive, B will be negative. Negative numbers हमारे पास set A में नहीं है. No negative number in this set, so it is not possible. So maybe this. If A is 0, then B is equal to 6, which does not belongs to A. So therefore, A not equal to 0. Then B is equal to 6 minus A is inverse element of A. Is inverse element of A. If A is 0, which is not possible, inverse does not exist, it is not invertible. But when a is not 0, then b will be 6 minus a, and this is the inverse element of a. So prove. Clear? Now question number 15. Let A be the set question number 15 containing minus 1 0 1 2 minus 1 0 1 2 and B is a set as minus 4 minus 2 0 2. Also two functions are given, f and g both are mapping from A to B. Also fx is x square minus x and gx is 2 times mod x minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Are f and g equal? Are f and g equal? Now see, it is topic of 11th. When we can say the two functions are equal, so two conditions are there. First is if f is mapping from A to B and g is mapping from C to D. If A is equal to C and fx is equal to gx, when the domain are equal and all the values, all the images are equal, at that time we can say the functions are equal, otherwise not. First condition, domain should be equal. Second condition, for all the element of domain the image should be equal. अगर images भी same है, domain भी same है, then we can say the functions are equal. तो यहाँ पे देखो, domain here, domain of f is domain of g. It is first condition. Both have same domain. Both have same domain. Now what is second condition? The images should be same. So we have to find all the images for this set. Now for f. Now see, f minus 1. Minus 1 square minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. Then f0 is 0 square minus 0 is 0. f1 is 1 square minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. And f2 is 2 square minus 2 is 4 minus 2 is 2. F minus 1 is 0. Sorry, it will be minus 1. So plus, so 2. Right? So these are the values or images of f. Now for g. G is also giving same images. Check कर दे अभी चलो. For g. Now g of minus 1 is 2 times modulus minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to modulus minus 3 by 2 minus 1, but modulus gives always positive, so 3 minus 1 is 2. तो देखो minus 1 के लिए image of f is 2, minus 1 के लिए image of g is 2. एक एलिमेंट के लिए हो गया. अगर ये सारे एलिमेंट के लिए हो रहा है, for all the elements of domain, if it is being, we can say the functions are equal. So for second element, g0 is 2 modulus 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 1 equal to 0. For 0 image is 0, for 0 image is 0 हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Now for third element G1 is 2 modulus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So 2 modulus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 1 minus 1 is 0. So for F1 it is 0, it is also 0. Now for the last element G2 is 2 modulus 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is 2 modulus 3 by 2 minus 1 is 2 into 3 by 2 minus 1 because modulus is always positive. So 2 2 गए. Now 3 minus 1 is 2. So F2 is 2, G2 is 2. Therefore, for all x belongs to A, Fx is Gx. Number 2. Here, the domain are equal and images are equal, and therefore F is G. True. Means both the functions are equal. Okay. So please make a note. See the question number 16. Set A is 1, 2, 3. Then number of relations containing 1, 2 and 1, 3 which are reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. हमें ये दिखाना है, हमें शो करना है कि भी ऐसे कितने रिलेशन बन सकते हैं कि जो रिफ्लेक्सिव और ट्रांजिटिव हो बट सिमेट्रिक, सॉरी, which are reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. रिफ्लेक्सिव और सिमेट्रिक हो बट ट्रांजिटिव नहीं हो, ऐसे कितने यहाँ पे रिलेशन बन सकते हैं इन विच 1, 2 and 1, 3 आर देयर. राइट. तो देखो रिफ्लेक्सिव बनाना है. स्टार is reflexive, therefore R is reflexive. रिलेशन की बात चल रही है. R is reflexive, therefore 1 1 2 2 3 3 belongs to R. 1 2 and 1 3 are in R because it is given. ये हमें दिया हुआ है 1 2 है और रिलेशन को हमें सिमेट्रिक भी बनाना है तो 2 1 होना चाहिए. 1 3 है तो 3 1 भी होना चाहिए. ऑल्सो R is symmetric, therefore 2 1 and 3 1 belongs to R, but 2 1 belongs to R and 1 3 belongs to R, but 2 3 does not belongs to R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Sorry, transitive. What does it mean? Means R containing which elements? 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 1 3 2 1 and 3 1. It is first relation which contains 1 2 and 1 3. Also it is reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. अब ये रिलेशन तो हमें मिला. अब दूसरा रिलेशन आ रहा है कि नहीं वो अगर देखने जाए तो देखो फॉर द सेकेंड केस R is reflexive, therefore 1 1 2 2 3 3 belongs to R. Also 1 2 and 1 3 are in R given. Therefore 2 1 and 3 1 should be in R because of R is symmetric. R is symmetric. So now the new relation should be different. The new relation should be different. पर इससे डिफरेंट बनाना है अगर मुझे, तो कोई नया एलिमेंट मुझे उसमें लेना पड़ेगा. Therefore, suppose मैंने एक नया एलिमेंट लिया 2 3 belongs to R. क्यों? क्योंकि मुझे इसे डिफरेंट बनाना है. Now the new relation should be different. ये तो है, अगर यही एलिमेंट्स मैंने ले लिए तो नया रिलेशन नहीं मिलेगा. क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट, हाउ मेनी रिलेशंस कैन बी फॉर्म बाय यूजिंग दिस कंडीशंस. दिस इज अवर क्वेश्चन. सो मैंने नया रिलेशन बनाने के लिए एक और एलिमेंट, बिकॉज ए इज 1 2 3, मतलब ए क्रॉस ए में हमारे पास 9 एलिमेंट्स है. 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 2 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 आप सब जानते हो. तो मैंने एक नया एलिमेंट 2 3 लिया. 2 3 लिया तो 3 2 भी होना चाहिए. 3 2 should be in R because R is symmetric. तो अगर मैंने 2 3 भी लिया, 3 2 भी लिया, 2 3 है, 2 3 भी लिया, then R dash will be what? तो देखो इसमें एक तो ये 3 तो है 1 1 2 2 3 3. फिर मुझे ये भी लेने पड़ेंगे 1 2 1 3, क्योंकि ये दिए हुए हैं 1 2 1 3. फिर सिमेट्रिक है इसीलिए ये भी लेने पड़ेंगे 3 1. अब ये तो यही रिलेशन हो गया, तो मुझे नया बनाने के लिए कोई और नया एलिमेंट लेना पड़ेगा. मैंने 2 3 लिया तो सिमेट्रिक है, इसकी वजह से 3 2 भी लेना पड़ेगा. तो ये तो क्या हो गया, विच इज transitive also, which is not true, and therefore we have only one relation. Therefore we have only one relation, that is our required relation. Clear point? Exactly like this we have क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. ये मैं आपको प्रैक्टिस के लिए, फर्दर प्रैक्टिस के लिए होमवर्क में दे रहा हूं कि लेट ए बी द सेट कंटेनिंग 1 2 3, देन द नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन कंटेनिंग 1 2. एक आंसर तो मैंने यहाँ पे दे ही दिया है, इसमें से एक आंसर तो ये सम के लिए है. सो नंबर ऑफ इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशंस कंटेनिंग 1 2 कितने हैं ये आपको डिफाइन करना है. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Question number 18. Let f is a function mapping from R to R, and fx is it is sinum function 1 when x greater than 0, 0 when x equal to 0, -1 when x less than 0. It is given, and g is also one of the functions mapping from R to R, and the relation is, definition is gx equal to bracket x, where bracket is greatest integer part function that we know. Then does F circle G and G circle F coincide in 0 1? अच्छा 0 to 1 के बीच में ओपन क्लोज 0 1 में क्या ये डिफाइंड है, ये हमें चेक करना है। तो भाई चेक करेंगे हम पहले कि भाई कोइंसाइड 0 1 के लिए हम उसी में से कोई एक नंबर सिलेक्ट करेंगे। फॉर सपोज for 1/2 belongs to 1/2 belongs to open close 0 1, that implies G circle F 1/2. चलो it is composition of F and G, लिखेंगे G circle F, पढ़ेंगे G circle F, पर कहेंगे it is composition of F and G because first F will apply then G, तो G of 1/2, G of F 1/2. Now there is a number which is positive in the angle of F. Whenever X is positive, its answer will be 1. So G1, and G1 means bracket 1, that is 1, right? Now F circle G of 1/2. F circle G of F of G 1/2 equal to F of bracket 1/2. Bracket 1/2 gives 0 and F0 is 0. Therefore F circle G and G circle F are not coincide open close 0 1, or because they are not equal, therefore they are not in this interval. So this is the answer. Now question number 19 and last. Question number 19 and last. The number of binary operations on set AB. See, A is containing AB. Then how many number of binary operations? तो ये आपको फॉर्मूला ही याद रखनी है, फॉर्मूला के बेस पे आपको ये सम याद रखना है कि if number of A is equal to n, then number of binary operations on A equal to n raised to n square, where n is what? Number of elements of set A. This is the formula. तो देखो यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है? Here it is given, here it is given number of A is 2. Therefore number of binary operation on A is 2 raised to 2 square means 2 raised to 4 means 16, which is our answer. कितना इजी है, बस आप ये फॉर्मूला याद रख लो, बात खत्म। ये आएगा तो भी किसमें आएगा? एमसीक्यू, बराबर। तो आज हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 1 रिलेशन एंड फंक्शन कंप्लीट हो रहा है। फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल स्टार्ट चैप्टर नंबर 2, that is called inverse trigonometric function. For that आपको ये कुछ रिवाइज करके आना है। क्या रिवाइज करना है? देखो सारे डोमेन कोडोमेन फंक्शन के डोमेन एंड कोडोमेन फॉर ऑल द ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस, ये आपको रिवाइज करना है। यूनिट सर्कल आपको रिवाइज करना है, इतनी चीज याद रखना, बाकी काम मैं कर लूंगा। सेकेंड थिंग आपको ये रिवाइज करनी है कि 1-1 एंड 1-2 थोड़ा रिवाइज करना है। बाकी टाइम टेबल जो मैंने दिए हुआ है उस हिसाब से ये वीक में एग्जाम चलेगी। तब तक के लिए ओके, सी यू।